to this video where we are given that the distance time graph shows part of a journey of two cars. So let's zoom in to see what they want. Oh, there's car A, which I'm going to highlight in blue, in red. And there's one for car B. So this will allow us to see the graph pretty easily. And for part A, at what time did the two cars meet? Well, it is at this point here, so let's zoom in, alright? So at this particular point, right, we can then see that it is actually in between 9:20 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. So that means this one should be 0925. And that will be the answer for part A. Part B. Now, there is a third car, car C. And it started its journey at 9:15 a.m. and arrived at the same destinations 15 minutes later. Okay, since it is 15 minutes later, this tells me that starting point is here. 15 minutes later will be 9:30 a.m. Another key thing is it is traveling at a constant speed. This also tells me something. This tells me that it is going to be a straight line graph. And with these pieces of information, we can then draw this graph on the distance time graph. Okay, start at 9:15, that means it has to be start here. Ends at 9:30 at the same destination, which is 30 kilometers. And it is a straight line graph because it is a constant speed. Car C. Come, let me just indicate here that this is for car C. And find the speed of car C. Well, the speed is pretty straightforward since it is a constant speed, yeah? So speed will then be equals to the distance traveled, in this case, 30 divided by the time taken. And now, the time taken is important for us to take note what units this question would want us to give. Kilometer per hour. That means this one I will need to be in kilometer. This will be in hours. So, 30 kilometer. I'm going to divide by, it is 15 minutes, but I'm going to convert it to hour. And then this will give me a value of 120 kilometers per hour. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.